Understanding Fakie Attitude in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, fakie attitude. This expression isn't just unique. It's packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and the context behind it. Fakie attitude is a colloquial term often used in informal contexts. The word fakie suggests something that is not genuine or is done in a reversed or non-standard manner. In many contexts, this term can be linked to the world of skateboarding, where a fakie refers to a trick performed backwards. When we talk about attitude, we're referring to someone's approach or mannerism towards something or someone. This phrase is often used to describe a situation or an individual's behavior that seems insincere or put on. It's like saying someone is pretending or acting in a way that's not true to their real feelings or personality. For example, if someone is normally shy but acts overly confident in a specific situation, they might be described as having a fakie attitude. Let's see how this phrase works in real-life scenarios. 1. When John started bragging about his skills, it felt like a fakie attitude because he's usually quite humble. 2. Her enthusiasm for the project seemed like a fakie attitude, considering she had expressed doubts earlier. Understanding fakie attitude also means grasping its cultural context. It's a phrase more common in younger generations, particularly those familiar with subcultures like skateboarding or surfing. It reflects a broader trend in English where sports terminology influences everyday language. And there you have it, fakie attitude. A phrase that's as intriguing as it is unique. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like this one give us a glimpse into the dynamic nature of English. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language.